What's up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. And today we have my good friend Noah. Last time I saw him, he was in the video of building the custom mini bike.
I gotta pee.
Oh. We're trying to make a video. You have to go pee. Alright, so while he's over there peeing, okay. We're gonna be putting this engine, alright, in this blaster. So basically, this was all kind of complete for the most part. It had low compression, so took the engine out, got a new head for it, new piston rings, all the good stuff. And now we're just ready to go put this bad boy in. Torqued up all these bolts. If you come over here though, I did have to weld this up because that was pretty bad. That was broken completely through.
Hello.
I had to weld that up over there, that. So just some little stuff, but yeah, it's gonna be sick. Hopefully this thing starts in 3 kicks, because if it does, I'm gonna be wheeling this thing. Stay till the end to watch that. Yeah, let's do this.
Like the rest of the stuff you took out,
Yeah.
so I don't know where some of it goes.
I don't really know, so. Alright, let's go. Okay.
What's this?
I forget what this is. This is a clutch, right?
Bruh.
That's the clutch, right?
Bruh.
What?
Yeah, it's
yeah,
the
it is
clutch.
Okay. Sponsor us. Sponsor us. Yeah, Zach. Alright, ready?
No.
Oh, you gotta be ready. Grab by the carburetor always.
No?
Okay, never mind. I'm just joking. Oh wait, it goes right here. That's why.
Oh.
Ah. You gonna help or?
No, you can do it. Maybe I should take the spark out so it don't break. Don't look like it fits.
I think we're supposed to go in from that side. Turn the tire the other way.
Oh!
Oh gosh. My finger's jammed up.
Alright, maybe move them.
Oh, I can't because
Yeah, you
it's
can.
jammed up.
Just move them.
Ouch.
Oh.
Ouch. It's jammed up
Just move
again.
them again.
I'm trying, but
I'm gonna go down. I have to pop the chain.
well, I mean, unless we just move this.
Oh,
Oh!
guys.
It's slammed! Oh,
Oh, there it goes.
how come it's not going in? Oh? Oh no. I dropped something up here. This bolt through here, okay?
On this side. Oh, almost. So close. It might just need to be.
Hammered.
Yeah. No, you got it. Hip, hip.
Praise the Lord.
No, hooray. But I guess that one too.
It's fine. Just bring it over. Thank you.
Now you're breaking it.
Alright. Don't give up yet. We just started.
Wow, jeepers.
Board.
I like a forward. I don't have a thing on me, by the way.
Grace.
What?
I got it. It's not that heavy.
What are you doing? Give it to me. My hands are full. Come on, Grace. Come on. Come on.
Come on. Yeah! Alright, no, that's good. Now we gotta line the mount, the engine.
But no, we have to take it out again now because it's the engine like he's not lining up with this. Do you know what I mean? Took the chain off. See, I took the link off so that now I can
Ooh.
put it through. Now it should be a lot easier.
Hi, Grammy. And it's in.
Finally, took way too long. Got it in.
Where's the thing go?
There. So, there, yeah, you can do that.
Ooh.
I heard it.
Do we really need a clutch?
What? Yes.
Really? These?
Of course we do.
Really.
We really don't, but the rider. It depends on the rider.
She's saying.
So he's saying I need a clutch, but he doesn't.
I'm not saying that. Okay, clipped.
Yay!
No, let's give it a kick.
What? No, we're not giving it a kick. See this? You have that groove right there, and you have that big groove.
No.
This groove matters, all right? If you look down there, it's really hard to see, but there's an idle screw, okay? See, this has to go on the idle screw. You know why?
Because that groove matters.
Yeah, it matters. And you know why it matters?
Because it matters.
Okay. It matters because when you screw the screw in,
It matters.
no. So when you screw the screw in, all right,
The screw matters.
it pushes this up to have a higher idle.
Which
More air
makes
goes
it
in.
matter.
Okay, yeah, you're done. I'm just gonna put it in.
Okay.
So make sure this goes on the right side.
This little piggy went to the market. This little piggy also went to the market. This little piggy also went to the market. Sounds like it's returning.
It is returning. It's good.
Yeah, that means it's not sticking.
Yeah.
Why don't we turn it on? It's just like those videos where it's like.
Except for adhesive. We use it on everything.
Literally
Even my
everything.
breakfast.
It fixes all your problems, really.
Tastes better than ranch. What'd you say?
Life could be a dream.
I'll
Life
move
could be
it.
a dream. Umda, 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 umda. Life could be a dream.
Where's he going?
Wait, is this mine? Oh, can't open it. Looks like you can't use it.
I'll break it.
Guess you
Don't use it all, please.
Don't use it all? Did he say use it all? What did you hear, Grace?
I'll use it.
Did you hear use it all?
I heard use it all.
Right here.
Ow! What?
I'll let you try a little bit. Wait your turn. Wait your turn. Just over all the sand.
It's gonna chip off really easily. So, no, you're gonna teach him how to clean it off, right?
Yeah,
Before
so
you paint?
basically just use your finger.
No!
Just get as much off as you can.
Splice these wires together, right here. All right, and then
Clutch.
gotta do the clutch, and then gotta get the gas tank mounted, the exhaust mounted. Do the other one.
I'm gonna have to kick it for you because you're not used to the kickstarts.
Oh.
You can leave, actually.
Really?
Ooh. Bless you. Ah!
Lied about it. Not for long. Ask yourself, Isaac, what would Jesus do in this moment right now? He would be wearing gloves, probably.
Molding. I think I got out. I'm off.
Okay. Don't worry about it. I can hold it.
No, George!
It's okay if you do it wrong. I'd rather you say it's your fault. No, I forgive you.
Oh, you forgave?
Get out of my face.
No! Craftsman's here. Icon. Craftsman.
And then craftsman.
No, Craftsman.
Craftsman.
Icon. Craftsman.
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 Yeah, for the mowers, but craftsman for the tools.
Craftsman tools. So it's like,
Whoa!
That was aggressive.
all we have to do is put the exhaust on, gas tank, fill it with gas, seat on. Brum, bum, 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 bum,
Honestly,
bum.
like, you don't even have to put the seat on. Like,
The ride. You don't have to, but you probably should.
probably should put the plastics on, too.
I'm just not.
Yeah.
A few moments later.
Frick flopping sick nasty, brother.
Wow.
Give me nuts. Hamburger.
Jellyfish.
Wonka thing.
Drifter.
What?
Oh.
That was
Alright, that's my mat. Keep it on the ground. I'm nuts.
Oh.
Emotional, damn it!
I want to get feet.